Hey, this is just a quick video. I wanted to show you guys where we're at on our little 12 by 16 lofted cabin. Over here in this corner you can see we've got a propane heater. Still got some work to do to finish up the insulation, finish the walls, but this will be our living area with a sofa. Back in this little corner here, it's just a tiny bedroom, just large enough for like a full bed right there against that wall. Got some bedding stacked up there, as you can see. But that'll give us just a little bedroom for my wife and I. And then over here is kind of our, we're gonna have like a little dinette with a TV mounted on the wall. So an L-shaped table, or L-shaped bench with a table, so we can eat and watch a movie or whatever. Then over here in this other corner, I've got a stove from an RV trailer that will build into a countertop right there with a sink. So that'll be our little kitchen area. And up here in the loft, we can probably sleep 4 people up here, so that should be good. Obviously we got some work to do still, but we're getting there. And then this other loft over the porch, we just might use that for storage. Still trying to decide. Outside, we've got our table. Got a nice area over here we can park, maybe a little spot for a fire pit, and still a lot of work to do to clear out some of this brush and everything. And over here I was thinking this would be another area would be good for some tents as well. Just so much potential up here for our little cabin and family getaway. But yeah, I mean, it's 12 by 16 little cabin, but I think we've done well to maximize the space. At least that's the plan. Hopefully, I can't wait to get it all finished up and show everybody the end result. And thanks for watching.